Meet Bob. Bob is the operations team lead at the online retailer company. He just returned from 2 weeks vacations and got slacked that the Bookstore application is slow. What is the Bookstore application, he asks. It was not here 2 weeks ago. Bob's company adapted to the trends in the industry with agile development and deployments to multiple cloud environments. This presents a challenge for Bob's team as the developers are creating new services at the incredible pace. How to diagnose application issues not knowing application dependencies and technologies used. Bob's company decided to use IBM Cloud App Management, part of the IBM Cloud Pak for Multicloud Management, because the tool handles well both legacy applications as well as modern cloud-native ones. Bob starts with the incident view, where he sees the details of the incident along with the suggested resolution procedures, also known as runbooks. He looks at the associated events. The developers are using templates from Cabanero project, which automatically instruments any application runtime with data collectors. The incident was triggered by the synthetic monitoring agent, which checks the service from external location to get the end-user perspective. Slow service response time may have many different root causes. Let's look at the front-end service itself. Bob looks at the product page service on the Kubernetes cluster. Bob looks at the service dependency view. Cloud-native applications can be very complex, and topology showing all the dependencies is completely unreadable. That's why in IBM Cloud App Management, service dependency topology shows only directly related services, which makes service-to-service navigation easy. Bob opens the review service details and looks at the golden signal view. Golden signals is a modern approach to monitoring, allowing to quickly triage the issues based on the 4 parameters of the service: latency, errors, traffic, and saturation. The golden signals focus on the end-user perspective and allow to display the most important metrics regardless of the application technology used. In case of the review service, there are no errors, traffic is at most moderate, and the service is not oversaturated. That suggests that the high latency is caused by one of the other services. Bob opens the details for rating service, and just looking at the golden signals, he immediately notices that this service has high latency and a very high error rate. Like most customers, he decides to fix the problem first and then later analyze the problem using the timeline view, which allows to see historical data correlated with the moment when the issues occurred. Without further delay, Bob decides to restart the suspicious service as suggested by the runbook. After a minute, he sees that this helps. Error count drops and the latency returns to normal. The issue is now resolved, so Bob has time to enjoy his morning coffee.